Hello everyone, this is Ritika Gaur, the developer of VS Code extension that is RealTutor AI. So let me first demonstrate you the whole project structure. So actually we will start with backend folder, which contain the model that is RealTutor AI model that I had trained. And the second one here is the extension folder where the extension file exists and in our project integration of extension and model happened. Now the best part of a good project is the VS Code extension that is RealTutor AI. Let me show you guys that anyone can all over the world have access of RealTutor AI. And if I wrote RealTutor, yeah. So this is the RealTutor AI, and I have already installed this on my system. Now, now as I downloaded it before, so it's here, RealTutor AI. Now it will start. As soon as I start RealTutor AI, so this is our extension. Now here it is showing that it is connected. So let if I write hello, it will surely gonna to response me, and this is deep seek model, so it is actually showing the thinking part first, and also uh, it is suggesting some fix that I can apply here. Now suppose if I do anything wrong and there is error start in my code, let's say I npm run them, which actually lets to give me error. So if I cut copy paste this error and paste it in the extension give me the exact solution on what to do. And here is the solution that how can I fix it now, by using npm init, npm run dev, and it is also seeking the my VS Code extension file package.json. So it's actually great to see this type of interaction that is coming from an extension. And of course, I wanted to move forward this project on our next level. So for in the beginning, it's for the solo developers, and I also welcome all developers to contribute to this project actually to make this project on a next level. So then thank you, that's from my side. And all further features will definitely gonna to implement in this, like we have clear catchy analyze project. So basically the project it analyze the all files that are existing in the environment. It will gonna to analyze the whole file, and on analyzing it will gonna to give us results. Basis on that we can refresh the context and clear the cache. Here you can say that see that cache is around 2,000. So whenever the repetitive things happen, it will not gonna to again search through the model. It will give the result based on the previous responses. Thank you. That's